Good morning. Next example of business and profession, type 2, example number 26 of your book. Following is the profit and loss account of Mr. Saurav for year ended on 31st March 2016. Opening stock, purchase, salary and wages, rent, commission, household expense, business personal expenditure, so disallowed. ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ પર્સનલ એક્સપેન્ડિચર ડિસઅલાઉ થશે. સેલ્સ ટેક્સ, એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ, પોસ્ટેજ એન્ડ ટેલિગ્રામ, ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓન કેપિટલ ડિસઅલાઉ થશે. રિઝર્વ ફોર બેડ ડેબ્ટ્સ ડિસઅલાઉ થશે. ડેપ્રિસિએશન ઓન અસેટ્સ એન્ડ નેટ પ્રોફિટ. ઇન્કમ સાઇડ, ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ, સેલ્સ, ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોક, શેર ડિવિડન્ડ, ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ અધર હેડ, સન્ડ્રી ઇન્કમ, બિઝનેસ ઇન્કમ. Additional information, closing stock and opening stock has been consistently been valued at 10% below the cost price. Both are below the cost price. Depreciation on assets as per income tax provision is 17,200. So books no depreciation છે એ ડિસઅલાઉ થશે અને ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ મુજબ ડેપ્રિસિએશન આપ્યો છે 17,200. Amount of sales include 41,250 representing the value of goods withdrawn for personal use which costing 27,850 and its market value as on the date of withdrawn was 45,240. So sales માંથી જે personal withdrawn છે એ આપણે માઇનસ કરવું પડશે. Household expense include a contribution toward 20,000 toward provident fund. સો પીપીએફનું કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન છે એ પર્સનલ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ થશે એટલે ડિસઅલાઉ થશે. યુ આર રિક્વાયર્ડ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ટેક્સેબલ ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ બિઝનેસ ફોર મિસ્ટર સૌરવ ફોર અસેસમેન્ટ યર 2016-17. ઓકે, સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરશું. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શોઈંગ taxable income from business of Mr. Saurav. Previous year 2015-16, assessment year 2016-17. Particulars, amount. Net profit as per the P&L account. Net profit and loss account આપેલો છે 6 lakhs. Less income from other head credited to P&L account. So P&L ની એક ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ, સેલ્સ, ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોક એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે, સેલ્સ ઉપર પણ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. નેક્સ્ટ, ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોક, શેર ડિવિડન્ડ, સેલ્સ ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. સૌથી પહેલાં સેલ્સનું એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ જોશું. Amount of sales include 41,250 representing the value of goods withdrawn for personal use. Personal use goods withdraw. $41,250 minus its cost price 27,850. Difference 41,250 minus 27,850. That is 13,400. under value of closing stock. Let's assume that closing stock cost price is 100 less under value 10%, so 90 એ ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોકની વેલ્યુ આપણે આપેલી છે 1,80,000. તો 10 એ હાઉ મચ 1,80,000 multiplied by 90 divided by 10, multiplied by 10 divided by 90. So a 1,80,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 90, that is 20,000. Okay. Now, income from other head credited to profit and loss account. Dividend. Dividend income is 88,000. Total 88,000. Less tax-free income credited to P&L account, that is personal withdrawn from sales. Personal withdrawn from sales 13,400. Under value of closing stock 20,000, that is 33,400. Less add inadmissible expenses debited to profit and loss account. ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. અંડર વેલ્યુ ઓફ ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક cost price of opening stock, let's assume 100 minus under value 10%, that is 10, so 90 એ ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોકની અમાઉન્ટ છે 90,000, તો 100 એ કેટલા 10 એ કેટલા 90,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90, that is 10,000. So under value of opening stock is 10,000. Next, purchase, salary and wages, rent and commission, household expense, personal expenditure, that is 1 lakh. Next, income tax, disallow. Income tax is 36,100. Next, sales tax, advertisement, postage, interest on capital, disallow. Interest on capital 76,000. Next, reserve for bad debts, bad debt reserve 3400. Next, depreciation or assets as per books disallow करसु 18,000. Total 10,000 plus 1 lakhs plus 36,100 plus 76,000 plus 3,400 plus 18,000, 243,500. $2,43,500. नेक्स्ट एमांथी लेस थशे एडमिसिबल बिजनेस एक्सपेंडिचर not debited to P&L account. Depreciation as per adjustment number 2, 17,200. फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट एनी इफेक्ट थी गई, सेकंड थी गई, थर्ड थी गयु, फोर्थ थी गयु. ओके, माइनस थशे 17,200. 2,43,500 plus net profit 6 lakhs minus 17,200 minus 33,400 minus 88,000, 7,04,900. This is taxable business profit. Next example, last of this type, example number 30. Salary paid to staff. That is example number 31. Mr. X, a participating chartered account. He is resident and ordinary resident in India. His profit and loss account for year ended on 31st March 2016 read as under. Profit and loss account, salary paid to staff, stipend to article clerk, incentive to article clerk, rent, printing and stationery, contribution to recognized provident fund, meeting, seminar and conference, interest on loan, book and periodics eligible for depreciation at the rate of 100%, postage, telegram and fax, repair, maintenance and petrol for car, depreciation on car, computer, typewriter, furniture, travelling expense, municipal taxes paid in respect of let out house property. This is disallow. Net profit. Credit side, audit fee, taxation service consultancy, dividend on share of Indian company, tax free, income from UTI, tax free, profit on sale of share, short term capital gain, income from other head. Honor received from various institute for valuation of answer paper, income from other source. Rent received from residential flat let out, that is income from house property. Other information, fee from consultancy service include 1,40,000 received in US dollar. Traveling expense include 20,000 incurred in connection with his visit to Singapore for rendering service as indicated in 1 above. Include in meeting, seminar and conference expense a sum of rupees 18,000 is incurred for entertaining various clients in a hotel and club. Incentive to article clerk represent amount paid to 2 article clerk for the pass intermediary exam at first attempt. 1/4 of use of car is for personal purpose. This is very important. Motor car expense, repair, maintenance and motor car adjustment number 5. 50% of loan was used for purpose of construction of house property and 50% for loan was used for purchasing office building. So 50% interest છે disallow થશે. X follow accrual basis accounting. Printing and stationery include 3,000 being basis of accounting being the cost of the some stationery item purchased in accounting year 2014-15 which was not provided in the year due to oversight. The written down value of various assets on 31st March 2015 are as under. Car acquired on 1st April, rate of depreciation 15%. Computer acquired on 15 December, rate of depreciation is 60%. Printer, rate of depreciation is 15%. Furniture, rate of depreciation is 10%. X paid life subscription fee of rupees 5,000 to chartered account below and fund recognized under section 80G. The amount was debited to his drawing account. તેની કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ થશે નહીં. શેર સોલ્ડ વેર હોલ્ડ 8 months before the sale. તેની પણ કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ થશે નહીં. You are required to compute taxable income of X under the head of business and profession for assessment year 2016-17. Okay. First of all, statement prepare કરશું. Statement showing taxable income from profession of Mr. X, assessment year 2016-17, previous year 2015-16. Particulars, amount. Start કરશું. Profit, net profit as per the profit and loss account. Net profit 729,373. એમાંથી લેસ થશે. Income from other heads credited to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account credit side first by fee on audit fee is chartered account. So audit fee એનો પ્રોફેશનલનું ઇન્કમ થશે. ટેક્સેશન સર્વિસ ફી એ પણ પ્રોફેશનલ ઇન્કમ થશે. એના ઉપર ફર્સ્ટ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે કે ફી છે US ડોલરમાં મળેલી છે અને જે સર્વિસ છે એને સિંગાપુરમાં આપેલી છે. તો બિઝનેસ ઇન્કમ જ છે, એની કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ થશે નહીં. સેકન્ડ, ડિવિડન્ડ ઓન શેર ઓફ ઇન્ડિયન કંપની. ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ અધર સોર્સિસ. ડિવિડન્ડ છે 10623. Next, income from UTI, income from other sources. $5,600. Next, profit on sale of share, capital profit, short term capital gain 15,620. Next, received from various institutes for valuation of paper, income from various institute. 6230. Next, income from house property. $72,000. Total 72,000 plus 6230 plus 15620 plus 5600 plus 10623 plus 5600 plus 15620 plus 6230 plus 72,000. 1,10,073. $1,10,073. એમાં એડ થશે inadmissible income, inadmissible expense debited to profit and loss account. Inadmissible expense debited to profit and loss account. Salary paid to staff, business expenditure. Stipend to article clerk, business expenditure. Incentive to article clerk, એના ઉપર adjustment છે. Incentive paid to 2 article clerk who clear intermediary exam at first attempt. Staff related expense, business expense. Rent, business expense. Printing and stationery, એના ઉપર adjustment number 7 છે. So closing stock of stationery $3,000. Next, contribution to recognized provident fund, staff related expense, business expenditure, meeting, seminar and conference, એના ઉપર adjustment number 3. For client, that is business related, so exempted. Interest on loan, એના ઉપર adjustment છે 6 number નો adjustment. 50% loan was used for house property, so interest on loan for house property. Total loan નું interest છે 56,000 and a half 28,000. Next, book which are eligible for 100% depreciation. Postage, business related. Repair, maintenance and car expense, એના ઉપર adjustment છે adjustment number 5. 1/4 use of car is for personal purpose, so personal car expense disallow થશે. Total car expense છે 17,500, એના 1/4. 17,500 divided by 4, 4375. Next, depreciation as per books. Car 7,500. Computer 15,000. Typewriter 4,500. Furniture 2,500. Next, traveling expense, એના ઉપર adjustment છે. Traveling expense is business tour related, so exempted. Municipal taxes, income from house property related. Municipal tax paid for हाउस प्रॉपर्टी 1000, टोटल 1000 plus 2500 plus 4500 plus 15,000 plus 7500, 4375, 28,000, 3000, 65875 less admissible income, admissible expense not debited to profit and loss account. Admissible expense. First depreciation calculate करसो. Depreciation. Depreciation on car. Information number 8. The written down value of assets as on 31st March 2015 are as follow. First, car acquired on 1st April 2007. The rate of depreciation is 81920. So opening balance, depreciation on car, opening balance 81920 minus depreciation 15%, 81920 એના ઉપર 15%, 1212288 એમાંથી 1/4 છે એ પર્સનલ પર્પસ માટે છે અને 3/4 છે એ બિઝનેસ પર્પસ માટે. સો 122,800 એના 3/4 multiplied by 3 divided by 4, 9216. આપણે અત્યારે બિઝનેસ પર્પસની વાત કરીએ છીએ તો ડેપ્રિસિએશન ઓન કાર 9216. નેક્સ્ટ કમ્પ્યુટર, depreciation on computer, computer acquired on 15 December 2015, 15/12/2015. So opening value now હોય, only purchase, purchase 1,50,000. rate of depreciation છે કમ્પ્યુટર ઉપર 60%, બટ અસેટ્સનો યુઝ ડિસેમ્બર, જાન્યુઆરી, ફેબ્રુઆરી, માર્ચ લેસ દેન 6 મંથ છે, લેસ દેન 182 ડે છે એટલે હાફ. સો 1,50,000 એના 30%, 45,000. This is computer depreciation, depreciation on computer. Depreciation on computer 45,000. Next, furniture, depreciation on furniture, opening written down value furniture ની 15,000, એના ઉપર ડેપ્રિસિએશનનો રેટ છે 15%, 2250. So depreciation on furniture 2250. And depreciation on typewriter, this is typewriter. Next, depreciation on furniture. Opening balance છે 16667. Rate of depreciation છે 10%. So 1667. This is typewriter. Last, depreciation on furniture 1667. फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट एनी इफेक्ट થઈ ગઈ, સેકન્ડ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ એની ઇફેક્ટ થઈ ગઈ, થર્ડ, ફોર્થ, ફિફ્થ, સિક્સ્થ, સેવન્થ, 8, 9, 10. Okay, total 9216, 45,000, 2250, 1667, 58133. This is minus. Now start from net profit. 729,373 minus 100,1100,73 minus plus plus 68,875 65875 minus 58133 627 042. This is taxable business profit. This is your answer. Here our type 1 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 2. Thank you.